Imagine transforming your relationship with just a touch of kindness. A warm meal, a helping hand, a soothing massage. Simple, right? Kindness isn't just about grand gestures on special occasions. It's about the little things every day that say, I care about you. Start with something as simple as making your partner's favorite meal. It's not just food, it's a dish filled with love and attention. Or maybe take over a chore they don't enjoy. It shows you're in this together, lightening their load and brightening their day. And don't forget, a spontaneous massage can work wonders. It's a way to connect, relax, and show that you're there to comfort them. These acts of kindness aren't just nice, they're powerful. They build trust, appreciation, and a deeper connection that can weather any storm. Remember, kindness is contagious. The more you give, the more you get. So, why not start today? Spread kindness and watch your relationship blossom into something truly beautiful. Voiceover ending. Love these tips? Hit that like button, share with someone you care about, and don't forget to subscribe for more heartwarming relationship advice. Thanks for watching, and remember, spread kindness like confetti.